Ever struggled with stalling precision in CAD design? Today I reveal the top 6 best mice for CAD that will elevate your workflow, comfort, and speed like never before. Stay with me for expert picks and real value. Grab yours through the links in the description below and enjoy success. On number 6 is Logitech M705. Imagine working through hours of CAD modeling only to realize your mouse died mid-flow. Frustrating, right? The Logitech M705 Marathon tackles this head-on with incredible endurance and reliable performance in everyday design tasks, earning attention even among the top 6 best mouse for CAD discussions. Its laser-grade precision delivers smooth and accurate cursor control across most surfaces, while hyper-fast scrolling helps you breeze through long timelines or complex menus without strain. The built-in unifying receiver stays plugged in, cutting clutter and keeping your wireless link stable up to 10 meters away. With ergonomic contours and up to 3 years of battery life, it's a solid choice for long work sessions, though it may feel a bit basic compared to pricier CAD-focused mice with ultra-high DPI and advanced customization. At number 5 is Nulea M501. Getting bogged down in tight spaces on your CAD layout because your mouse won't cooperate can crush your flow. But the Nulea M501 changes the script with its thumb-controlled trackball that keeps your wrists still while you stay productive, a feature worth considering when exploring the top 6 best mouse for CAD options. Its ergonomic shape and smooth, adjustable cursor control let you work comfortably through long design sessions without constantly repositioning your whole hand. The rechargeable battery and ability to switch between Bluetooth and USB dongle devices makes multi-device work effortless. However, some users note that the scroll wheel can feel stiff at times, and buttons may require more force than expected, which might take a little getting used to compared with other ergonomic picks. At number 4 is Logitech Lift. Imagine struggling through long CAD sessions only to feel that familiar ache in your wrist again. That frustration pushes many creators to explore the top 6 best mouse for CAD lists for relief. The Logitech Lift brings a 57-degree vertical posture that eases pressure by positioning your hand in a more natural handshake grip, which can help reduce repetitive strain during drafting or model manipulation. Its whisper-quiet clicks and smooth scrolling keep your focus sharp, while customizable buttons support workflow tweaks via software. Battery life can stretch up to 24 months on one AA, sparing frequent charging or swaps. However, the vertical design takes time to adapt to, and smaller DPI limits mean it may not feel as precise as higher-end CAD-oriented mice, making it feel more like a comfort-first choice alongside others in this category. Number 3 is Logitech M720. Imagine toggling between 3 computers without breaking your focus on detailed CAD work. That's the real struggle before many dive into the top 6 best mouse for CAD options. The Logitech M720 Triathlon tackles this with easy switch and flow technology, letting you shift devices and even move files with ease, which feels like a breath of fresh air during long design marathons. Its ergonomic sculpted shape and hyper-fast scrolling help speed through long drawings and toolbars without cramping your hand. Long battery life, close to 24 months on one AA, keeps you working without constant swaps. Downsides? Its 1000 DPI sensor isn't super high for ultra-precise CAD like premium options, and some users report occasional Bluetooth quirks. Yet its multi-device power and comfort make it a strong everyday choice. At number 2 is Razer Pro Click. Imagine your cursor suddenly gliding with laser-sharp precision through intricate CAD layers after you've spent hours fighting imprecise tracking. That's the relief many seek when scanning the top 6 best mouse for CAD lists. The Razer Pro Click brings ergonomic comfort and a 16,000 DPI advanced optical sensor that lets you fine-tune every movement with exceptional responsiveness. Its right-handed shape and multi-device Bluetooth connectivity keep long design sessions easy, while 8 programmable buttons open shortcuts that fit your workflow. Battery life lasts for hundreds of hours, so recharging won't interrupt focus. It's not the smallest mouse, and the micro USB charging port feels dated, but for creators who juggle multiple devices and need refined control in CAD tasks, Pro Click offers satisfying performance that keeps you immersed and productive. Now moving to the last one is Logitech MX. Imagine losing precious workflow momentum because your mouse can't keep up with detailed CAD navigation. Exactly the frustration many face before narrowing down choices in the top 6 best mouse for CAD. The Logitech MX Master 3S answers with an 8000 DPI dark field sensor that tracks smoothly even on glass, helping you pan across big designs without stopping. Its mag-speed scroll wheel moves through long toolbars or timelines fast, yet switches to precise ratcheted control when needed. Quieter clicks and customizable buttons via Logi Options Plus make long sessions less distracting. Some find its size or occasional software quirks a bit much compared to simpler mice, but for those juggling big displays and complex CAD tasks, MX Master 3S delivers satisfying versatility and ergonomic ease. The winner is Logitech MX Master Series. You should buy the Logitech MX because it's widely considered the best overall productivity mouse with an ergonomic, comfortable design that reduces wrist strain during long hours and supports smooth, fast navigation on virtually any surface. Its advanced scroll wheel, multi-device connectivity, and customizable buttons make workflows faster and more efficient, while long battery life and precise tracking ensure reliable